Welcome to Rusty Duck Garage. In this episode, we pick up a lowered 68 Chevrolet C10. Me and Big D here, we're on our way over to pick up a 68 Chevrolet C10 short bed, two-wheel drive. It's lowered. It's over here at Dundee. Pretty neat little truck, multicolored. Got a 350, turbo 350 trans. Rally wheels on it, 15x8 rally wheels. Truck's pretty sorted out, got Flowmaster exhaust on it. All right, we're rolling up here at the residence that's got the 68 C10 for sale. Doug's got it back here. Friend that I've known for quite some time. We'll be showing you here just shortly. There she's sitting, you can see the front of it there. We'll roll up here and see what he's got.
I bought it and swapped it.
Yeah.
A couple of years ago. I put another block carburetor on it. That's about all I touched to it.
Yeah.
Kept lifting all the wiring on it.
Oh, he did.
Yeah, I swear to God. Yeah. These days, I can't throw down 2 pizzas, 3 sodas, and 4 donuts.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Rusty Duck Garage. We'll have more videos on the 68 C10 in the near future. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.